Hi there, welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. I was watching a new TV series about the life of Muhammad Ali. And after he lost a bout to Ken Norton, I think it was a newspaper guy that wrote an article. And, Ali would always say, float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Well, the article said something like, your wings are gone and the sting is gone. And Ali really took this as a slam. He took that article and I believe he posted it at the place where he works out. And he may have put it, let's say, on the bathroom mirror so that it was with him and he could read it every day. Well, it inspired him and he came back and he beat Ken Norton, in fact, twice after that. It was a real inspiration. Keeping those kinds of motivational things around can really help. I have one you may have remembered from a long time ago I mentioned by Theodore Roosevelt called The Man in the Arena, and I keep it. In fact, it's right here on my desk. If you have something like that, it's a good idea to keep around. It can really help you stay motivated. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.